Please be quiet, Mariah. If it's anything like dogs, the mother has 6 minutes to remove the amniotic sac so that kitten can breathe. Otherwise it can suffocate.
It's suffocated?
Well, if the mother doesn't tend to it pretty soon. But we're just going to let Mother Nature work here. She has a few minutes. And cats know what to do. They don't need help very much. But this little kitten
Needs help.
Well, his little sac needs to be removed.
Does he even know it?
She should. She should know.
Is it gonna suffocate?
She should get up and remove the sac here.